So one of the advantage of studying in University College Cork is it's a national state university, and it's a leading European university and a university which is renowned for research and entrepreneurship, and it holds the #1 nursing faculty. University of Cork is one of the largest universities in Ireland, and their nursing college is using the same laboratories and simulation wards that are used by the students in MD program. Because they are like your institution, they also have a big medical college, big hospital, and the faculty is globally recognized and ranked as number 41 in the world. And graduate nurses from Cork University are in high demand because of their intensive training, knowledge, and acquired skills. The School of Nursing at Cork University, they have quality nurse training and wide variety of specialities and global recognition. So what is the primary goal for this university? Is that to produce highly skilled professional nurses. And remember what I was telling you is that any main attitude for a nurse is kindness, compassion, and empathy. So they literally follow that, and Irish nurses in general are known worldwide for their kind attitude, and that's why they are in high demand all across the world. Many Indian nurses come to Ireland to study, and they follow their professional careers. So when you choose to go to Ireland, there are two possibilities. Either you may say that I want to go and work in Ireland, or you may say that I want to go and study in Ireland. So both choices are good. There is a little bit of difference. If you want to come to Ireland to work, then first you have to complete your registration with the Nursing and Midwifery Board of Ireland, which can take quite some time. It might take up to 1 year. But if you choose the route of studying, then it can become a possibility very soon after completing your BSc Nursing. So it's not necessary to have all your qualifications recognized before moving to Ireland. You can come immediately by attaching yourself to the university and join the work and study program, which means you may choose to do this 1-year master's degree, which is specifically designed for international nurses. And during this 1-year program, you can get work straight away, which means you can't work as a nurse even though you hold a nursing qualification from your country, but you can work as a healthcare assistant or carer. So it's a good opportunity in that 1 year that you're also studying, you're working, you're earning, and you are getting familiar with the healthcare system of this European country. And the university is conscious of your need. So what they have done is that they have designed their classes in such a way that it's a hybrid approach. You can do some online classes in your own time and rest of the classes in the classroom, and you will still have 3 or 4 days left for you to work. And the university assists you in your application to get a job. When you complete this 1-year master's degree, then you can get a job. And if you come to Ireland to straight away work, then you need an IELTS scoring of 7.0. So now there are a couple of options. Either you can do IELTS or you can do OET, which is occupational exam, for testing system for English. And if you do OET, then I think people say that this one is a little bit easier because they are mainly testing your professional English, whereas IELTS is more about like you almost need a literary level of English to qualify. So if that is your choice, then you need 7.0 scoring in IELTS, or you could do Duolingo. If you are coming to Ireland to study master's degree in Cork University, then you can do a Duolingo, which is a very easy test, and you can get results straight away. So you complete your test and your result arrives straight away. And if you choose to come to study, then your IELTS scoring can be only 6.5, and that is good enough. So you don't have to waste your time or sit here and wait, oh my god, my call is still not coming. You may already embark upon your journey and come to Ireland and take this 1 year as a time to familiarize with the country, with the profession, with the healthcare. And the university also organizes free English classes for you, because you will say that I've already cleared my IELTS, why do I need English? But this country has their own way of using English, and this country has its own, accent and everything. So you will become familiar in that time, and you can attend their English classes for free. And the advantage for choosing this route is that if you only complete your BSc nursing and come to study, then your salary will be different than those who come to study first for 1 year master's degree and then they work in that country. Then their salary would be 25% higher than graduate nurses, because now she holds a postgraduate qualification. So the difference is that if you come with your BSc nursing qualification, your starting salary, basic salary, can be 36,500 euro per annum. But if you come with a master's degree, or if you do a master's there, then your salary will be approximately 42,000 euro. And I have already covered about the English language test. Once you qualify, our recruitment company will also help you to find the job, and it will do the placement without leaving the country. So you study for 1 year, you don't have to leave Ireland, you will be offered a job. So this is a good choice. And Cork University Nursing School, even though it is called school, it offers postgraduate, PhD, all sort of programs. It gives 110% effort in developing professional nurses with the highest standard. And once you get a permanent job, you can even get your spouse. I know that's not your problem, you're only youngsters, you are not married. But if you make this choice 6 years later, then you might be married, you may have children. They all can come with you once you have a job. So this is the picture of Cork University, and this is the Faculty of Nursing at Cork University. This is the hospital, simulation lab, and this is an image of Cork City. And like any other European city, Cork City is also with the river in the middle of the city, it's flowing. So the highlights are that this university holds staff that 90% of them hold PhD qualification. So that's why they maintain such a high standard of nursing education. And thank you so much for listening. If you are interested in applying to study in Cork University and work in Cork Hospital, then you can reach out and send an email to info@irelandindiacouncil.ie. And there is also a WhatsApp number for India, which is 730-322-3789.